Lord, I've really been real stressed.
What's up? My name is DeAntwon Fletcher, aka Angry Bird, and I am super Cali Dally Fally Bally Bally Yally Ollie 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 excited to go to DCI Drum Corps International. And my team told me to tell you that it's about to go down.
What school are you currently in? What college are you planning to go to?
Well, the school I'm currently in is at Wooddale High, and what school I'm trying to go to in college is Jackson State.
So DeAntwon, how long have you been in Memphis Youth Arts? And what made you join Memphis Youth Arts?
Well, I've been in Memphis Youth Arts for about like 2 years, and what made me want to join is drumline, more likely, and
Why you picked that college and what are the 3 things you like about it?
I picked that college because of drumline, the majors, and
What major are you trying to do?
music.
You said general music,
It's like
performing arts.
performing arts.
So lastly, y'all got a big battle coming up, right?
Right.
Ain't this around August
August the 14th.
August the 14th. And that's from DCI and Indianapolis, Atlanta, and Indiana?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you had one thing to say to ADA, what would you say?
I would say we coming for you. That's all I'm gonna say. And like we said the first time, it's going down.
I heard y'all been coming with some heat lately.
Oh, we come with a lot of heat.
So y'all about to turn them out?
Well, you finna turn them out. We finna turn them out.
I didn't I tell y'all I was
TT was about to make us drop yesterday, y'all.
Was?
It was funny,
And if y'all
but it wasn't funny because she was literally about to make us drop.
And was?
Because some
and if
people,
y'all clown today and still will, try me and see.
y'all heard TT right? Try if you want to.
Try me.
Try if y'all want to.
Yeah.
That's TT. And also, Mrs. Gardner. Well, actually, hold on. Let me cross the Mrs. out. Miss Gardner.
Thank you. Coach.
Coach Gardner.
Thank you.
Right.
Coach G.
Coach G.
Coach G.
She Coach G.
Coach G.
She big, strong G. Y'all don't play.
Coach G. Get it right.
Hey, D.
But I can't wait to see my dad, rest of the folks up here at this center. I'm finna be happy. What's up, Jalen?
I need some help over here. I have a problem.
He always has a problem, y'all.
The dad woke up and it's not working.
He sometimes he do have a problem, but it's funny. It be funny sometimes, cause he keep me going. He keeps going.
Ain't going.
And then sometimes you want to get tired of it, and then you be like, it's funny at the same time.
It does not funny anymore.
Hey, she don't say nothing on this thing. Say something. You out here waving.
No, she.
And I do feel that's it.
Excuse me, you finna make me literally stop this car in the mid of. What we
Oh,
at?
y'all heard Coach G.
In middle of what is?
What hobbies do you like to do outside of school?
Football. That is my main hobby that I like to do out of school.
How long have you been playing an instrument? What instrument do you play?
I've been playing for a long time, and I play the snare. What's up, y'all? It's your boy D from MYAI. We on our way, going to practice. So, you know how it is. Practice days, running, lifting, doing all that. Getting in the car. Hey, TT.
Yo.
What's up, Jalen?
Hi.
Hey, Aisha.
Hey.
But yeah, we on our way to practice. See you when we get there. y'all. We just made it to MYAI safely. Cool, calm, collected. MYAI center. Here we go. We made it.
Just give me
Hey,
the
don't say hey. DeAntwon, say hey to the vlog though.
Hey, y'all.
What's up, Miss Locke? Yeah. We in there today.
listen, baby.
Yeah.
Get stressed out. Just bring me some fries. I already got something to drink. That's all I want.
5:11.
Yes.
What you doing?
We just signing in right now though, so yeah.
Bye.
Yo, that's Mr. Wallace. Brand new haircut and everything. I gotta get this. I'm thinking about cutting my hair off though, y'all.
Again?
I don't know. They say every time I got my hair up, we play good, but then when I cut my hair off, we don't play good. That don't make sense to me.
Yes, I think I told you what your haircut.
You
And
did.
you grew it back out.
Yup. Sure did.
It's 5.
He came to school thought he was the stuff.
Sure did. Yup. TT can't hold this for me.
Yo, there it is. All right, I'm finna turn it around. Can I turn it around? I don't know. But right now, y'all, he's signing in. As I said, this is your lovable Coach G with Blue Dynasty Color Guard of MYAI as we prepare for the upcoming season. Please
a major red coach, Mr. Wallace.
stay tuned near you as he sign in. There it is.
5:15.
We have to dig it up, and we better hurry. Because
One of the rules, you have to be in uniform
In uniform at all times.
at all times.
This is in uniform.
Come on, let's go. Y'all gotta catch up.
Where we going? Oh man, y'all. Hold on.
we're at the bus stop.
Let me go. Let me.
Hey, vlog, we gonna be
I gotta tell my vlog. Thank you, y'all. Well, I'll catch y'all when we get back.
Any last wishes? Any last wishes?
No.
Right now.
Well, we love you. My name is DeAntwon Fletcher, and I'm 16.
I know where they take down. I'm trying to go with you.